Let's take a closer look at the manufacturing process of Reveal Plus clear aligners. First, the clinic creates the patient records, physical impressions or intraoral scans of the patient's teeth, and photos, which are then uploaded to the DDX web-based portal. Henry Schein's highly trained technicians use the records and your directions to create a treatment setup proposal. You will be able to review, modify, and approve the proposal via the Reveal Plus treatment setup viewer. Once the plan is approved by the clinician, the manufacturing process begins. Other manufacturers produce 3D printed models for every stage and every aligner, a time-consuming process that creates hundreds of millions of plastic polymer models that end up in landfills. The production process of Reveal Plus aligners is very different. It begins with creating a single precision mold of the patient's teeth. The teeth are then physically moved from their starting points to the positions you have prescribed. The proprietary clearware material is thermoformed to produce aligners using a process that captures even the most minute details. The aligners are then trimmed at their optimized heights to capture both the hard and soft tissue anatomy. This ensures precision force levels and maximum grip onto each tooth for increased control over the movement. Once the aligners are trimmed, they are hand-finished, providing silky smooth edges for maximum patient comfort. Each aligner is laser marked to provide unique identification and then passes quality control. A cleaning process ensures the aligners are spotless and safe for use before being packaged individually. The aligners, a retainer case, and patient instructions are placed in the sleek Reveal Clear Aligners box. The box is then sent to your office to deliver to patients and create thousands of beautiful, healthy smiles. Reveal Plus, the next generation clear aligner system.